Hi guys, for today's video is in collaboration with Unice Hair. I'll be reviewing this curly ombre V-part wig. It's 24 inches and 150 density. And as you can see along the inside, this V-part unit has several clips to secure the hair down. There are 2 clips on each side at the top and 1 in the back. There are combs along the front hairline, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. So this hair will give a lot of security. So I'm so excited to see how this hair looks once I clip it on. Okay guys, so it is the next day, and as you seen in that last clip, I went ahead and washed the hair and I let it air dry overnight, and look at this. This is going to be beautiful. And I've already prepped my hair, so all I gotta do is clip this bad boy on. And I did show in the last clip how the hair looked, but I just wanted to show you again up close how everything looks. So yes ma'am. So I'm just gonna unclip everything. So unclipping, showing where the clips are. I know you guys seen that in my previous clip of me showing this part of the hair, but I just want to show you how easy the clips are to come off. And then you have these 2 to secure it, and then the bottom. So trying to pinpoint where to place these. And then usually I like to just go ahead and adjust it when I'm finished, once I kind of place it on my head, but I just need to place it first. And these are super big head friendly. Oh, that color looks really good. So let's go ahead and adjust here. So now it's time to adjust this one. All of them are secure. This one feels a little bit more secure than the last one I had. And this is how far it comes to me. So I'm just gonna show you. So now for the fun part with blending my hair. It's crazy because I kind of feel like I have too much hair out. What y'all think? Usually I don't leave that much hair out, but it's enough to cover it. But maybe if I start blending it, I don't know, I have to see. So what I'm gonna do, I know I washed the hair yesterday, but since I'm kind of feeling like I left too much hair out, I'm gonna go in the shower and really drench my hair. I know I could do with a spray bottle, but I'll be back. I'll show y'all. Okay guys, so I just got out the shower, and the reason why I love the shower because it really drenches my hair. I know I can do that with a spray bottle to blend it, but I don't really get that much of effect. Like, it's kind of already kind of curling up, but you can see like it can blend really well. So yeah. And what I'm going to do off camera is my go-to style. If you follow my channels, I do like to go ahead and twist my hair as if it's my own hair. So my hair and this hair can blend perfectly together. So I'm already kind of seeing a good little blend. My hair is a little bit curlier. I have a little bit more of a tighter curl than this wig, but I know once I twist my hair up, it will look pretty good. Pretty good. So yeah, I'll be back. y'all can't tell me I'm with Beyonce. Y'all can't tell me I'm not giving Beyonce right now. But anyways, guys, so as you can see, this is the final result of my hair. I thought I went ahead and clipped this bad boy in, and I love it. I really do. I was a little skeptical at first because I'm more of a plain Jane type of girl, stick to black hair. So this was actually kind of out of my comfort zone. I have tried color before, but this was different and it looks really good. Like, I feel like it complements my skin tone really well. It looks really good. Also too, if you are an OG of my channel, I have did a review with Unice hair before, and it was actually the same type of V-part wig, but it was in the color black. And that hair was really good as well, but I think I'm kind of liking this a little bit more. This actually fits to my head. The other one, it was a little bit big at the back, but this one actually fits really good. It's the same. I did not see a lot of shedding. Of course, this was the first day I put this in my hair. Only shedding that I did see was when I was washing the hair, but that's normal. When you wash your hair, you're going to see shedding, of course. But with this hair, I actually washed it. That last hair, I didn't wash it before clipping that hair on, and I feel like it makes a difference because when I washed this hair, I didn't see any straggly ends. I didn't have to cut it to form to fit like a nice color, nice shape to my head or anything like that. It's really nice. I really like it. And this is 24 inches ombre hair, 150 density, and I will leave the link, I will leave the description below in my link. I will leave the link below in my description of Unice hair. This hair is really nice. And I'm not just saying that because they sent me this hair. I am an honest reviewer. I will let you know, like, I don't care for this hair. But this hair is really nice. It's super soft. And I'm also going out later on. So I'll probably insert how it was when I went out. If my hair got frizzy or if the hair shed or got, you know, a little tacky in the back. I'll let you guys know. But yeah, so this is the final result. Your girl is about to be out on the town looking like Beyonce. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Bye.